Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Following on from one of our previous videos where we show you how grass grows, in this video we're going to show you the different ways grass is grown in order to establish a new lawn. Let's find out. A new lawn is usually established through three common methods: the spreading or sowing of a grass from seed, the planting of vegetative material or pieces of turf known as sprigs, or finally, the most common method, installing a new lawn from instant turf. In order to grow a lawn from seed, you need to start off with a nice clean soil base free of weeds and other contaminants. The seed can then be spread onto the soil, where it is then rolled or raked into the surface soil. From there, regular watering is required to promote germination. It is possible to get a great lawn from seed, and there are some amazing seeded lawns out there. You just have to be aware that it can take a lot more time and effort to get the result that you're after. Seed can be a budget option, but you'll find it takes a lot of extra time and money to get the result that you are after. You can even find yourself oversowing several times, but you can't guarantee the strike or the germination of that seed to give you a nice, consistent finish. With weather conditions potentially washing your seed away, birds and other animals also eating the seed, it can be a significantly challenging process to undertake. Weeds also find it easy to infiltrate a newly seeded lawn, so keeping on top of weeds so they don't spread is crucial. Usually, grass seed consists of cool season varieties such as a rye or fescue, with a small amount of warm season seed mixed in like kikuyu or cooch. The cool season varieties will establish quickly first before the warm season variety comes through and can begin to establish. All great Aussie turf varieties like Sir Walter DNA certified buffalo are what they call male sterile and cannot be grown from seed. Even on the turf farm, they cannot be grown from seed and have to be produced from live vegetative material that takes a lot of skill from our Aussie turf farmers to turn into lawn turf. The methods of planting do vary on turf farms. The most common method is the use of a Sprig Planter, which looks like this. These work by feeding full slabs or rolls of turf into the top part of the machine, and whilst being pulled by a tractor, the machine rips individual sprigs out from the turf and plants them into the ground before they are rolled in. From these small sprigs, turf paddocks are grown. When you harvest these paddocks, for the most part, you don't have to replant. For buffalo varieties, you leave a small ribbon which the turf grows back from. For varieties with strong underground roots, like cooch and kikuyu, you don't have to leave the ribbon and the grass grows back out from the ground. All you need is fertiliser, water, weed control methods and some time to have the turf ready to harvest again. The most effective way of establishing a great lawn is by using instant turf. By doing so, you are taking healthy, established grass and planting it out at your home. Within a month or two, you'll have a great, consistent lawn that's ready for use. If you want a great, long-lasting Aussie lawn, get in touch with your nearest Lawn Solutions Australia member through our website. Thanks for watching, and we hope to catch you next time.